Chipotle just completed their massive 50-for-1 split a few days ago, and I've already started a position. Now, I'm gonna open this drawer right here, and regulars who follow me, they know what happens when I open this drawer. This is my original wish list all the way back in 2008 when I really started to get serious about investing. I was in my early 20s. CMG, $38 a share. I wanted it, I didn't buy it. Look, when it comes to stock splits, there's a lot of different questions on when is the right time to buy. Do you buy it the day that it splits? Do you wait 2 to 3 days for the pullback before it then surges? Should you wait even longer? I don't care. The stock split, and I immediately started a position at $64. And then the next day, I bought more at 63. And if it goes lower, like into the 50s, I'm gonna load up. And I know what a lot of new investors are thinking. Hey, if you think it's gonna get into the 50s, why don't you just wait and buy it at the bottom? Because I'm not in the business of trying to time things. I don't care where it is now or in the next few weeks. I'm investing in this company because I'm bullish on the company and I think long-term it's gonna be much higher. I'm gonna give you an example. I'm looking at my screen because I got it all pulled up here. In September of 2022, I bought NVIDIA at $152 per share. About a week later, it was $123 per share and I bought more. And about a month later, it was $122 and I bought more. And then just a couple days after that, it dropped to $110 and I bought even more. And then NVIDIA started climbing. I bought it at 153. I bought it at 226. I bought it at 398 or 389. I can't read it. I bought it at 360. I bought it at 455. I bought it at 431. I bought it at 380 when it pulled back. I bought it when it went to 400. I bought it when it went to 800. I bought it when it went to 771. You get the idea. Let's say I didn't buy all those shares at all those different prices. Let's just say I bought it the one time on September 13th at $152 and I never bought it again. It got down to 123, it got down to 110. But I wouldn't be looking back at it going, oh, why did I buy it at 152? I could have bought it at 123 or 110. I'm gonna be glad I had it because look at where NVIDIA went, over 1,000, and then they also had a humongous split. I believe long-term in Chipotle. I know that they have an issue right now on social media with the portions and the prices and all of that, and people are in the comments saying Chipotle's done, Chipotle's over, they're gonna go out of business. Shut up. Chipotle is going to be fine long-term. Yes, this is an issue for sure in the moment, but they will fix it just like McDonald's fixed it, just like other companies have fixed their problems in the past, and then eventually we all move on. If I only purchase Chipotle at 64 and 63 and I don't get more in the low 50s, or I do get more in the low 50s, it doesn't really matter because I have a feeling, and also I'm very well diversified, so even if I'm wrong on this particular investment, which I might be, but I don't think I will be, even if I look back 2 or 3 years from now, I have a feeling I'm gonna be saying, I bought Chipotle at 64. If you wanna learn how to invest, let me show you something. You are going to go right here and you're gonna click on the menu, which is right here, and you are going to find all of these resources and they are 100% free. There's not even an email sign up. You just click on the course and boom, there it is. Smash that follow. I'm gonna go support my investment and buy a burrito. See you later.